So this was hands down one of the ugliest pizzas we've made.
Doesn't matter.
But the flavor is really good.
Don't step on Bailey.
I won't step on our dog. We have a dog behind us. Hey, I'm John.
I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
And Bailey's behind us too. What are we doing today?
We are making on a gluten-free dough, but you could do it on regular dough, potato pizza. So,
Do tell.
Yes, think potato salad without the mayonnaise. So thin sliced red potatoes,
Okay.
red onion,
You got me.
some capers,
Salty briny.
salty briny, and then creamy Violife feta. So it's going to be yummy.
I think it's going to be good. Real simple.
Yeah,
So
super simple, very light.
Yeah. We haven't made a pizza with these ingredients combined, and so we shook it up in the mixer and what should we put? And
That's what we came up with.
yeah,
So,
let's
veggie pizza doesn't have to be boring.
No, it totally doesn't.
No.
Let's make a potato pizza.
Yeah. All right.
Let's go.
Today we're using our trusty mandolin to slice our potatoes evenly and very thin, and then we'll put them into salt water to soak the starch out. From there, we'll slice our red onions, and we're ready to dress this pizza. We're prepping our dough on the peel. Today is a gluten-free version. Remember, when working with the gluten-free dough, it's a gentle process, and also you'll want to use a generous amount of rice flour on the peel and use the scraper continually to make sure it's not sticking. We ended up having a little issue with this one, but it still tastes amazing. Once the dough's ready, we're drizzling it with truffle oil, adding our potato slices, then our red onion, our capers, and our cubed feta. And I have to say, I think I like plant-based feta a lot better than regular feta. This is so creamy and nice, and I always feel like regular feta is a little chalky and not very nice. So, we're ready to bake.
Oh, are you planning on me making a mess?
Yeah, it's gooey.
Which is good. I like gooey
It looks good. Let's get in here. Come on.
Okay.
Let's get
I'm
after
taking
it.
this one with all the capers.
So this was hands down one of the ugliest pizzas we've made,
Doesn't matter.
but the flavor is really good. I like it.
What olive oil did you use?
We used a white truffle oil that was infused. We did have some challenges. I broke the dough when I was making it. We're using the gluten-free dough. So I broke the dough, and so there was a crack when we cooked it. So as I said, this was ugly, but flavor is spot on. We used the Violife feta, which melted into this kind of gooey loveliness.
And the potatoes are good. They're thin sliced.
Got a little bite to them.
Yeah, but they cooked nicely, so that you didn't. We contemplated pre-cooking them and a little bit, like a flash, and it's wasn't needed. No.
Yeah.
They're good. I like it. Yeah, see, it's kind of like potato salad without the mayonnaise and the egg.
Exactly.
Yeah. So,
thank you for watching, everybody. We appreciate it.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
And don't break your dough.
Oh, I thought you were saying and potatoes.
Oh, and potatoes.